Welcome, this is Panda-Frog, and today I got with me my mini Panda-Frog and Mrs. Panda-Frog, and we are doing a little unpacking of a giveaway winning I got from Butcher's blog. And yeah, let's see what's in here. It took a while to get here from Australia, so let's see. Oh yeah. Mrs. Panda-Frog can also say hi. Mau.
Nej.
Oh, she's shy. Alright, so let's see what we got in here. Rosa? Alright. Okay. Ooh. That's a koala. I believe this is for the mini Panda-Frog. It's very cute. Milo, that's for you.
Je koala bichu. Je koala voor Australië.
This is for my wife. Tim Tams.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much for sending this. Yes, I give it away. Alright, what next? Okay, interesting. Alright, so I don't know what this is for. I don't know. Well, if you know it, just put it in the comments. I don't know, I have to figure it out. Maybe, I have no clue. Okay. Yeah, you and your Tim Tams. Ooh, nice. A nice keychain. Alright, so let me just get the stuff out. I guess it's all locks. More stuff. Ooh. So I guess. Okay, my wife thinks it's like for a phone on your belt or toolbox or something. Oh, for a knife. Yep, that's possible. So we got a nice Aussie edition book.
If you're happy, you know it.
If you're happy and you know it. Yeah. Mini Panda-Frog is almost every time happy. And I always sing that song to him, actually. That's the funny part. If you're happy and you know it, clap your feet. Thank you so much for the little gift from my son. It's amazing. Oh!
Waarschijnlijk de richting tekst.
My wife's saying like, now I can sing the right text. So I guess you made me a keychain for the keys for the locks in this package, I guess. It's amazing, thank you. Alright. Is that the mini lock you used for the mini Panda-Frog challenge, I guess? It was from a caravan or something, I don't remember. Yeah, I believe that's a mini lock for the mini Panda-Frog challenge giveaway. Wow, it's really tiny. Wow, nice, thank you. My wife is already enjoying the book. Alright, so let's see what else. I don't know where to open. There's so many locks in here. So we got an Lockwood KT6627. It's like a rubber. Let's see. Guess it's probably not. No. Oh, we'll figure it out later. So, another Lockwood. 120/50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pinner. Looks nice. Well, I got something to do. So I have no clue about the Lockwoods. My first contact. Oh, the Whitco. Never heard about it. So let's see. Maybe this one. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so you packed it really good, so nothing could break. Wow, that is nice. Where's the key for this one? Western Power. So is it like a special edition from that company, or I don't know? What do you say, Milo? Oh, that's one. So this one is cuttable. It's really nice. 6 pins. Nice. Okay. I don't have. No, I don't have any lock like this.
Mal hinten.
Pretty cool.
Musst mal hinten
I know. It's the bolt. Yeah. That's where the thing is in, which is moved. The locking mechanism, probably.
Okay.
Probably from cabinet. Ooh. Shiny. Another guttable. So I get the complete Lockwood experience here. Milo, and you have to do it later. Or when you're 5, you have to start picking. Alright, so this is in the box already. Still. Alright, this is new. A laminated steel body. 50 mil. Good to high security for general purpose application. I will see about that. Okay, so let's put it all out here. No, you cannot try the Tim Tams yet. Tim Tams. Doesn't matter. I'm just glad we didn't get any Vegemites or how that stuff is called. And of course the Koala has to sit here. And if you're happy and you know it, yeah, you know. I know it's yours, I'm sorry. Alright, thank you so much, bLock. It's an amazing package. I didn't expect it to be this big. And also thank you for my wife and my son. Yeah. Alright. Thanks. And see you next time. Bye bye.